Today I'm going to show you how to access your Student Learning Assessment form at Allen. First, you'll want to go to our web page, and then you'll want to click on My Allen. Once you've clicked on My Allen, you'll log into the Allen portal. Then you will click on Allen Resources. Once you've clicked on the Allen Resources tab, you'll then look for Academic Materials. You'll click on Academic Materials link. You'll scroll down to the middle of the page, and you can click on Display Form under Student Learning Assessment Form. Once you click Display Form, you will then see our Student Learning Assessment Form. Please make sure that you select the correct course. Very, very important that you, from the drop-down menu, select the course that you are applying your Student Learning Assessment to. Once you have completed your Student Learning Assessment form, you can scroll down to the bottom and hit the Submit button, and that will then send your Student Learning Assessment form to the committee and to Allen, and you should get an email shortly after confirming that it was received.